AK Wind solution is we're using Keelvar within our direct spend. So we're using it for all our direct spend, both from tail spend to strategic sourcing events. We are sending out 2,500 RFPs each year, so it's quite a lot. We are getting a lot of traceability by using Keelvar. We get some data that we can actually share with our management team. We have the visibility of what is going on. We can see how our suppliers are reacting to the quotes. Overall, we're just getting a lot of data out of Keelvar that we can actually use within our, both for management, but also for negotiations with our suppliers. Having a tool like Keelvar is making it a lot more efficient to actually run negotiations. We have built a big ecosystem around Keelvar, which makes it pretty easy for our category managers to actually run a negotiation. They have to click 5 buttons and then they're ready to run the negotiation, which is pretty amazing because previously they had to follow up with a lot of different stakeholders. They had to send out Excels, but they also had to understand the Excels they were sending out because they were the one actually building the Excel sheets. And today that's done for them. They just need to click a few buttons and then they're good to go. We are looking so much forward to the autonomous sourcing. We think it can benefit a lot within the tail spend areas of sourcing, not running too many of these strategic sourcing events, but more into the tail spend of our sourcing activities.